to make an ebonizing solution, all you need is the finest steel wool you can get. I got 000. So I'll take the steel wool, unfold it, and you can either just pull it apart or cut it. And then I will take my vinegar. You need at least 5% cleaning. They make it 30%, which I like because it eats it faster. I like these 2-gallon buckets. I'll do a whole gallon, sometimes 2 gallons. And then I'll do at least 2 steel wool per gallon. So this one has 4 steel wool and 2 gallons of vinegar. So you let that steep. This one's been in there for about a month. I like to go at least a week. Some people say 24 hours. I haven't had much luck with a 24-hour solution. And I'll have this setting all the time. So some of this will be a year old. It does lose some of its potency over time. So a fresh batch is the funnest to work with. You want to do half and half water to dilute it. Embarrassing, but I like these McDonald's cups because they just have a little natural measure line. So that's half and half. You use any kind of brush. I just grabbed this foam craft brush because I had it. So this is cedar. Cedar has this really nice dark black. This is a water solution, obviously. So the wood grain will raise. At the end, you're gonna wanna come back with like a 2000 or 1000 grit sandpaper just to knock down the wood grain before you seal it. The cedar still needs to cure. This is a piece I did earlier. You can see how black it gets. It's beautiful, and I'll show you a door I did. Look at how crazy the oak gets. It's not dry yet, but it's almost purple. And the maple, it's beautiful. You get grays, you get some blue. It's really adds a feminine touch. So cool. Poplar, it's kind of a letdown, just kind of browns it up a little bit. Never ebonized poplar, I just wanted you to see it. Alder we do a lot of. It's still a little, but you'll get the gray and this light brown. It's just beautiful. And it looks great when it's clear coated. There you go, ebonizing. This is the barn door I was telling you we did in cedar. It rained today, so it's a little bit darker, but you can see the beautiful blacks and grays, mostly blacks. Isn't that cool? And the bird poop.